Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create About Us page in WordPress with Elementor. So let's just begin. Okay, so we will be creating something like this for the About Us page. As you can see this, we have this beautiful looking background image and we have this title and we have our mission, extraordinary experiences and our core values and the image. Okay, so we will be creating something like that for our About Us menu. Okay, so let's go inside the WordPress dashboard. And from here, we have to click on the pages. And in the pages, we have to click on the add a new. Okay, so let's just write down the title of our page. That is about us. And let's just click on the edit with Elementor. So you can see that we are inside the Elementor editor and we have this header and the footer. So you may have the different header and the footer. It actually depends on the template that you're using. Okay, so how can we create the about us page? So the first of all, we would have the heading and we would have the beautiful looking background image. Okay, so let's click on the add new section and we will simply select a single column structure. And from here, and the content width, we have to select the full width. All right, and we have to select the minimum height for the height. Okay, so now this is looking okay. And now we have to go inside the styles and we have to choose the background type. So that would be actually the background image. Okay, so let's click here to select the image. Okay, so as we know that our website is something about the outdoor adventures, so I just simply use any beautiful looking landscape wallpaper here. So just write down landscape here. Okay, so let's select this image, save and insert. All right, so we have selected the background image. So now we have to position this into the center. So that will be the center, and the attachment is fixed. So that is okay. And in the repeat, I don't want to have the repeat of the background image. Now you can see this, we have no repeat now. And the display size. So this would actually be the cover here. All right, so that is looking okay. And now what I need to do, I have to add the background overlay. As we know that we will add the heading and we have to highlight the heading. Okay, so let's just click here in the background type. It would be the color. So I would actually use the darker color here. Okay, so that is looking fine. All right, so now I will simply add the heading here. All right, so I have to align this into the center and it would be the H1 and I have to change the color of the text. So it would be actually the white color. Okay, so now this is looking great and we can change the typography from here. So I think we're good here. All right. So now I'll just simply add the new section and it would be with the two column structure. Let's click here and we have the heading here and it would be H2. Okay. So that is our mission. And here I have to add the divider. All right. So it should have the length. Okay. So that is looking okay. So it should have the width of 20% and the style of the divider should be solid. So let's click on the style here. Okay, so I think I would go with the full weight here and the color of the divider would be the theme color one. Okay, so that is looking okay. And now what I need to do, I have to add the text editor after the divider. So we have this simple text here. So let's just copy this and paste this again. So this would be our mission. All right. And if you want to change the format of your text, you can simply do it from here. So right now, as you can see this is a paragraph. So if you want to convert this into the heading, you can simply do it from here. Or if you want to make the text look bold, italic, or the underline, you can also do it from here. And you can create the bulleted list from here and you can create the number list and you can also explore the other options here. So right now, let's click on the styles here. And in the styles, we have the alignment, we have the text color, we have the typography, and we have the text shadow. Okay, so I will just keep the values like this. Okay, so now let's just go back and I would like to add the image here in my another section. Okay, so let's choose the image from here and we have this images here. So I'll simply choose this one and let's just click on select. All right, so as you can see this, we have our image and we have our mission. So I would like to add the box shadow to our image. So let's just click on the styles and we have this box shadow. So let's click here and from here, let's just increase the value. All right, so I think we are good with the 10 here and we have this vertical. So it would be 10 as well. Okay, so let's decrease the value of the blur to the 0 and spread would be 0 as well. Okay, now what I need to do, I have to change the color here. So I would actually use, okay, so this is looking fine, right? So this is looking okay. Okay, so I have to add the value of the border radius. So that would be 15 here. Okay, so now you can see this, we have the border radius on our image. Okay, so we have added our mission, we have added the image. And as you can see this, we don't have any space between both of these sections. So I just simply add the padding here. So let's click on the edit section and click on the advanced here. And from here, I have to add the padding. Okay, so now as you can see this, we have added our mission, we have added our image. So now I simply add the new section with the 2-column structure. And I would actually like to add the experiences and our core values here. All right. So let's click here and add the heading here. It would be H4. Okay, so the heading would be extraordinary experiences. All right. So now what I need to do, I have to add this. Let's just copy this, put this here. All right, and I would also like to copy this paragraph here. So let's just copy this again and put this here. All right, so we have our extraordinary experiences, and in the similar way, I would add our core values. Okay, so let's copy this heading here, put this here. So it would be our core values. All right, so now let's just copy our divider here, put this here. And in the last, I would like to add the paragraph here again. So let's just copy this and put this here. Okay. So let me just remove this. Okay. In the core values, I would also like to add the list here. Okay. So let's click here, write down the list. So as you can see this, we have this icon list. So I just simply add this here. And in here, I can simply add the points of our core value. So this would be core value 1. This would be core value 2, 3. Okay. So now I have to change these icons. So let's just select this, insert this, and I will simply use this icon again. All right. So I have added our core values. I have changed the icons, and we have added our 2 sections here of the extraordinary and our core values here. So I think this is it. So this is how we can create our about us page. So let's publish this and have a look at our page here. And now you can see that this is how our about us page is looking, and this is looking really great. I think we can add a bit of spacing here. So let's go back, and from here, let's just add a spacing here. It would be advanced, add the padding. All right, so let's just update this, and let's just go back to our about us and refresh this, and you will be able to see the space here. Alright, so this is how you can create the About Us page in the WordPress using Elementor. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.